Jesus! That was close. What the heck was that? Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, in my previous video, I mentioned that in the year 2022, I received an awful lot of products that I did not review. You never saw them. But in that video, I showed you 2 of those products that I thought were pretty good. Now, a lot of you asked, is there anything else that I thought was pretty good? And I had to think about it. And yeah, there's one product I think is pretty darn good. So let me show it to you. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel on this early morning. I have the Radiolink A560. The reason for this plane to exist is because it all comes in this case and it's all like a 2D plane. You snap it together in about 5 minutes at the field and you go fly. So let me show you a little bit about what's inside. Watch this. This is the shoulder bag your Radiolink flyer comes in. Looking inside, you'll find everything you need to get up and flying in 5 minutes. First item you'll find is the plane fuselage, and you will notice it has a 1450 kV brushless motor. The receiver is already installed and bound to the radio. All servos are installed and hooked up to the receiver and the ESC. Speaking of the ESC, it is a 15 amp. A 660 milliamp hour LiPo battery is included, as well as a battery charger. All the hinges on the plane are of good quality, and the construction of the foam material is also of good quality. Assembly of most pieces is simply just snapping them together. Other items include the landing gear, which is optional. You also get 2 props. You'll never need 2, but they give you 1 spare. Plus you get a kit that includes a screwdriver, plus these IKEA-like connecting dowels. These round rubber items are your prop connectors, and you get a pile of spares. And if you ever get any damage, they give you a roll of fiberglass tape. They include a remote as rechargeable, and a USB cable is included. The remote has several buttons, and each button is assigned a different function. For such a small remote, the joysticks are responsive enough to fly the plane. And finally, everything is well explained in the included manual. So after you snap everything together, you get this plane, and apparently it should fly. And all the switches, I had to label them. I don't know, maybe I'll show you a close-up of that because I can't remember what all the switches do. So it does have stability, it does have acro mode and a bunch of other things, and even manual mode for flying. All right, so we're gonna take this for the first flight. I'm gonna power on the controller. There we go, she's on. I have the switches all labeled so that I know exactly how it works. So right now I've got both of the forward switches down. I believe that's stability mode. I've slid the battery in the plane, so it's all set to go. I just have to attach the battery connector and it will power up. There we go. It's gonna do its little stability thing and we should be ready to fly. Let's see. Look at that. Ooh, that's got a lot of power. I have like the throttle on 20%. 20% throttle. Let me see what happens if I go 100. Okay, not much more. So this is supposed to be stability mode. I'll bring it down. Try not to smash into too many posts here. There you go. Bring it down lower, lower, lower. There's a post. Did I just go up and over? I don't know what the flight time is, but I'm going to put it right below the video now for the flight time. All I can say is, as someone who has no flight skills, this takes nothing. It's very little inputs on the joysticks. I'm just taking it in circles here, and there we go. So that's what we get. So I'm going to flick the switch here and see what the next mode is. I'm going to go up. Next switch. Oh, didn't do anything. Next switch. Oh, I've got full control. All right, so here we go. I know where full control is. I think this is full control. Here we go. Here we go. That's pretty cool. And stability. Okay, so right over here, we're gonna go into vertical mode. Check that out, baby. That's a beginner with vertical mode, upside down, and back to stability. Try that again. Here we go. Vertical mode. I'll bring it down. Keep on the throttle. It's pretty cool. And back into stability mode. All right, let's bring it in for a landing. And we'll let somebody else give her a shot. This thing just floats in the air. Look at this. Just floats. I'll bring it down to us. Give it a little bit of power and bring it down. Pretty darn cool. You want to give her a shot, Joe? It's really simple.
Sure.
Doesn't take much power and she's up. And you can get it going crawling slow if you want. There we go. Just glides through the air. Whoa! Jesus! That was close. What the heck was that? That's better. Yeah, Joe almost took my head off.
How close? You have to specify how close.
Yeah, how close? Sorry. Okay, Joe, try to bring her down for a nice soft landing. Super nice. All right, so personally, I think it's pretty simple to fly, no issues. I think a beginner could fly it. With all the modes, they could have a lot of fun. You'll have to learn all the modes, and bringing it to the field is pretty simple. Putting it in that case and assembling it takes about 5 minutes. Joe, this first time flying it, what did you think?
Oh, I think it's a lot of fun. It has various modes you can explore. I mean, there's 3-position switch on the left, a 3-position switch on the right to give you so many different modes. I only tried the 2, the regular mode and just stability enabled, and the vertical. Vertical's a little wobbly, but it's an acrobatic plane.
All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions on this plane, just post them below and I'll get back to you. Catch you in the next one. Bye.